Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can see Snapchat Spotlight Story. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. Let's get into this. If you want to see your spotlights, tap on your icon on the top left, scroll down to my favorites and tap on View All. Here you can see all the Spotlight videos you have ever liked. However, if you want to see other types of history of Spotlight, go back, open Settings. Now scroll down to My Data. From here, you will download your data, which should include Spotlight history. Scroll all the way down and click on Next. Confirm your email address here and click on Submit. You will get an email when your data export is ready there. So that's basically how you can see Snapchat Spotlight Story. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.